Hi friend, I would like to show you how to log into YPS International Salon, participate and submit your pictures. To start with, navigate to salon.ypsbengaluru.in. If you are not a YPS member, click on sign up to fill the email ID, mobile number and register as a new user. Now, fill the registration form, tick mark the validation and click on create account. Once you log into your profile, click on participate in this salon on the left panel. Select participants from all countries at the top of the page. Do read the terms and conditions, tick it before clicking on register for the salon. Since this salon is free for participation, you don't need to select the sections and pay. You can directly go to the upload section and click on upload. You can read this section while uploading, which helps you resize your pictures. You can click on the thumbnail, which shows a visual representation of the same. Next, I would like to show you the two ways how you can upload and submit your pictures. Click on upload, choose the file, enter the title. Remember that once the thumbnail shows up, it doesn't mean that the picture is submitted. You need to click on the submit button below to make sure that your picture is submitted. Let's click on the submit now. You will see an orange progress bar that turns green once the submission is completed. You will also see a text message below which says picture successfully uploaded or updated. Let's go to the next method. Go to the folder where you have your pictures ready for submission. Now drag and drop into the upload section. There is an advantage using this method as the titles are auto-populated based on the file name of your image. You can click on the submit button. Now these two pictures are submitted. You can repeat the same procedure to submit your pictures in other section by navigating to color, monochrome, nature, travel sections. There's another important thing that you need to remember. YPS Salon provides you to view the history of your submissions of past YPS salons by clicking on My History. If there are any accepted images, they are indicated next to the picture. Remember that if you have any accepted images in the past, those images will be rejected outright in any YPS salons as they do not comply to the terms. So take care not to submit any of your past acceptances. I hope this video helps you in making your participation experience better. All the best. Thank you.